Okay, I'm going to show you guys. Well, actually, there's Rocco. I got an update. This is a project I picked up last year here in Fresno off of OfferUp. Paid $1,200 for a pontoon boat. I redid the whole thing, put a brand new motor on it, new interior, new seats, new carpet, new paint job, new stickers, everything. And then I picked up this trailer last week that I'm going to transfer it onto. I'll finish the boat this year. I have to extend out the front a little bit more, get it ready for the season. I'll put some pictures on here so you guys can see how it looked when I bought it to the way it looks now, and when I took it to the lake in September for the first time. So hope you enjoy, and I hope you keep watching these videos as I put them up. I'll do a bunch of videos as I'm building it this spring and summer, and a lot more of Rocco. See you guys later.